Welcome to Caltech Buddy. Press right and solve faster. Let's go! Calculator techniques for constant using Canon F789 SGA version 1 and version 2. Parehas lang yung kanilang calculator techniques. Let's go! So to activate yung ating constant na naka-install na dito sa Canon F789 SGA, we will just press Shift and then Convert. Since pinindot natin yung Shift, mag-activate yung constant value. Sinauna yung Shift. Now, pag pinindot natin yan, then we have the list of all the constant na naka-install dito sa Canon F789 SGA. So, hindi na natin sila i-memorize at madali silang hanapin. So, Shift, Constant. So, pipili na lang tayo kung ano yung kailangan natin. We have 79 constants na nandito sa Canon. So, number 1 is mass ng proton. Ito yung value niya. And then, ito yung corresponding unit. Number 2 is the neutron mass. Number 3 is the electron mass. And so on and so forth. So, gamitin niyo yung Canon F789 SGA para sa mga constant na to. So, ang kailangan dito, familiarity na mga constant kung ano yung mga possible nating magamit. Okay, ako, personally, ang mga nagamit ko na dito are number 1, 2, 3, proton mass, neutron mass, electron mass. So, I will not memorize the constant value since naka-invite siya sa calcul. Also, the Planck's constant sa physics. And then, sa number 11 to 20, ang nagamit ko dyan is yung 17, the atomic mass unit for chemistry. And then, for 21 to 30, ito yung mga nagagamit talaga. Faraday's constant, elementary charge, Avogadro's number, Boltzmann constant, molar value ng ideal gas. So, ito yung volume niya. The molar gas constant, so 8.3. Then, speed of light in vacuum, this is approximately 3 times 10 raised to 8. Okay, approximately karete exact value. Then we have 31 to 40. So, Stefan Boltzmann constant for heat transfer. Standard gravity, kung di nyo kabisado 9.81. Nasa calculator siya. And then, temperature, para mag-convert sa absolute, 273.15. Etong capital G is the Newton's constant for gravitation. And standard atmosphere, 101.325 Pascal. So, mga constant yan na magagamit talaga natin in problem solving. Yan ito, medyo advanced na to. Ang nagagamit ko lang dito sa table na ito is the atomic mass unit and the electron volt. Okay. Then we also have this table. So, wala pa akong masyadong nagagamit sa table na to, sa part na ito. Pero at least, andito pa rin sila sa calculator. So, let's assume na nakabisado na natin yung mga constant na yan, kung ano yung mga value nila or ano yung ibig sabihin nila. So, shift, constant. So, pamilyar na tayo. Mass ng proton, neutron, electron, and so on and so forth. Now, gamitin na natin siya sa sample problem para ma-appreciate natin kung gaano kadaling mag-solve gamit si Canon F789 SGA. For example, meron pa ditong 71 to 79, no? So, may helium mass, neutron mass, and so on and so forth. For example, an electron moves at 2 times 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Find the kinetic energy. So, alam natin, ang formula ng kinetic energy is 1/2 mv squared. Binigyan tayo ng velocity na 2 times 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Ang kulang na lang is the mass. It is indicated na electron daw yung gumalaw. So, dapat yung mass ng electron. So, hindi natin kabisado yun, pero nasa calcu yung mass ng electron. Constant 0.3. So, pipindutin lang siya sa calcu at hindi mo problema yung constant. Dapat lang kabisado niya yung formula, of course. 1/2 mv squared. So, 1/2. Ito natin in upper problem, paano gamitin? Mass ng electron, shift, constant value. So, kung di nyo kabisado, hanapin niya yung mass ng electron, 0.3 siya, 0.3. Pangatlo, equal sign, so mass ng electron. And then, 2 times 10 raised to 6 and squared. So, Yan, lalabas yung kinetic energy ng electron, 1.822 times 10 raised to negative 18 joule. So, ang kailangan na lang dito is the familiarity ng units kasi hindi nakalagay yung units dun sa canon. Pero, yung value, naka-store naman. Eh, hindi mo na i-memorize yung mass ng electron. Sapa. Critical na ang mass is 0.001 kilogram na daw yung energy equivalent niya using the speed of light na velocity. So, ito, kapisado siguro natin, very famous formula. Galing kay Einstein. Energy is mc squared. So, given na yung mass, speed of light na lang yung kulang. So, again, nasa Canon F789 SGA version 2, yung speed of light. Constant 28. Speed of light, c celerity. So, pipinikin lang ulit sa calcu. 0.001. So, again, yung speed of light, hindi nga kabisado, nasa calcu, shift, constant, medyo malayo siya, 28. So, 28. Equal sign, makikita niyo naman, c sub o, ac yung speed of light, and square. Yes, equal sign, this is the energy na madidevelop. That is approximately 8.99 times 10 raised to 13 joule. Okay, so madali. Basta yung constant, pamilyar tayo na nasa calculator. So, familiarity. Next. Now, yung energy ng photon if the frequency is 6 times 10 raised to 14 hertz. So, kailangan dito, formula sa physics. So, ang formula natin is this. Energy is equivalent sa Planck's constant multiply sa frequency. Frequency is already given, so no problem. Yung Planck's constant, sana pabisado natin. Kung hindi, nasa calculator, constant 0.6. Okay, so pipindutin na lang sa calculator. So shift, constant. So kung di nyo alam kung anong number, pwede nyo isa-isahin, napin yung h. And then, ayun, so pang-anim nga siya, h, and yung value ng Planck's constant. Then, multiply natin ng 6 times 10 raised to 14. So, ang answer natin sa energy, physics problem, 3.976 times 10 raised to negative 19 joule. And lastly, para ma-appreciate lang natin na very useful ni Canon F789 SGA, find the gravitational force between the two masses na 50 kg and 80 kg. They are separated by 2 meters of distance. So, Newton's law of gravitational force ito. Ito yung formula ng Newton's law. So, given yung dalawang mass at distance, imumultiply natin ng G. Yung capital G is the Newton's gravitational constant. Again, kung hindi nyo kabisado yung capital G value, nasa constant 39 siya. Okay, so pipindutin lang natin correctly. So, shift, constant 39. And mass, dalawang mass, 50 times 80. Rover distance squared. Wala na tayong problema sa mga ganyang constant ha. Be aware lang na nasa calculator. So, ang kailangan na lang tandaan yung formula. Okay, press equal sign and then this is the force between them. 6.67 times 10 raised to negative 8 Newton. So, I'm hoping mag-memorize tayo ng formula. At regarding sa constant, make sure you know na nasa calculator nyo yung mga constant na yan. Okay, para hindi kayo nahihirapan. Okay? So I'm hoping may natutunan tayo today for this video. This is your Caltech buddy. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions or clarifications on anything we discuss, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to respond. To God be the glory. This is your Caltech buddy. Math made easy with shortcuts, tips, and calculator techniques. Bye!